Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today my brother Luke is going to use our Genie Lift to take down a problem tree. While Luke and I were on a job site in Louisiana, this tree of heaven split right in half. Clearly it was getting some water in there. Maybe we were getting some like freeze jacking action. I'm not sure. An arborist would know a lot more. It's about 1.5 feet at the butt swell, so not a small tree by any means. And he's going to take it down with the Genie Lift. Half of it came down and whopped his carport real good. So it's got to go. The trunk is split. This is a dual fuel machine, runs on propane and gasoline. We always run it on propane because propane is awesome. My brother Luke is using the Ryobi 40-volt electric chainsaw. That is one of our new favorite tools. He's just whittling away at it. I'll go ahead and roll the time lapse. Mid-action report, Luke has everything you see on the ground done with just one Ryobi 40-volt battery. He is all ears and teeth, smiling. He is very impressed with it. I'm very impressed with it as well. These new electric tools are just top-notch. Let's hop in the carport and I will show you some of the damage that came in from the storm. This is the carport where Luke stores his 1948 Willys Jeep and 1970 Gran Torino. He's kind of the classic car nut in the family. And in the big storm, we had a limb poke right through the tin, so that's a little sketchy. Don't want that on your Gran Torino hood. And then right there, you can barely see that's kinked. Fortunately, it was right on a support where that trunk was resting on the roof. If you've enjoyed the video so far, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, so you can catch future content. Luke has removed the limb that poked through the roof. He's got just a few more to toss off. Everything is down nice and low now. So the nieces and nephews are starting to drag limbs over to the pile, and then we'll move those with the skid steer later on. The Ryobi batteries we have are brand new. They have had a lot of use cutting wood with my nephews over on the wood lot, but Luke got everything you see down with 2.5 batteries. Obviously, we will start really chug-a-lugging them once we go through the butt swells of the tree, but that is pretty impressive. You can really clean up a property quick, throw it on the shelf, and you don't have fuel going bad. Gonna put the Ryobi to the test and lop off this guy right here. Bring you guys along. Timber. That is some timber. The Genie Lift has a safety feature when the basket is so high up in the air that it will move extremely, extremely slow. But very, very safe machine. We absolutely love them. This is our second machine. A good friend of mine, Andrew, he was using our original Genie Lift on a job site with a cutting torch, and he lit the old girl up, let's say. So we ended up selling that unit to the Amish, and in 2 days they actually had it up and running, so the fire obviously wasn't too bad in the old girl. Now it moves much faster. With all of that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time.